Khubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Halor ka Jingkhang jong uchuba ao ubade u National Vice President ka BJP ba uba Ernest Mauri ubade u President ka BJP Meghalaya udiban song thanyo nakakamba ubat komu President nakalyang uba Ernest ulaong ba amdan satya manu badawa banweng no yu nakate kasuki uba Ernest sabakran sigilat Pathai Khubor mentakasngi ula kentu bat kerpat balada don kinu giji Ïakren kibade ba Ïakren hapo kaseng ka Jingkhang ka Plie bat kilat ban Ïakren bat u Hynrei gilit Pynban ban keren sigilat Pathai Khubor ka balong ka Jingbakla uba Ernest ulaong ba kani gade ka kamyeng kamsem bat ulaong ba ujuong ba omdan kanu ka jingbam yas ngotho jingmot hapo kaseng bat ki judan bet ka jingeteli Hynrei ulaong ba manu pat ki don yala ka jong kamon ban pen paw ya ki jingsngau.
This is the internal matter, like we call in Khasi, kakamyeng. So it is too early to give statement with that. And I used to give a statement that we don't have any differences, we are united. But you see, the opinion of anybody, I cannot stop. We have got the right of freedom to express. So it's totally, it is their own statement. It is not the party.
Are you asked to gracefully retire or something like that?
You see, my term will be till 23. This matter will take, the decision will take only from the central, not by me. If they find that I'm not suitable, I cannot perform as the president, then the higher authority, they will send a message that gracefully you leave it. It's not by the statement of somebody else.
Well, we have seen the statement of Khubor Shulai asking the BJP not to change the state president because it will be like suicidal for the party ahead of 2023 elections. What do you have to say?
Maybe Pak Khubor has gone through that press statement given by Chubao. That is totally his own opinion, and he want to send this message to the people in our state. As you know, we have supporters not only in Shillong, we have supporters in the whole state, Khasi, Jaitia and Garo Hills. Maybe that is opinion, I cannot tell anything. Because he has given a statement with his own brief and a statement from him.
Well, what made Chubao to make this statement? Is
comment.
It because all is not well within
No comment on that. The matter has reached to our higher up, high command. They will take care for that.
Has they communicated to you anything?
Yes, they have already called me yesterday. I have sent the report. This is the statement has come in the paper, in the printing press. So they have already given me the green signal. They will do the needful. So, like I told that, it's inside matter. It is in Khasi we call kamyeng. So they will settle it. They will settle it from command from Delhi. No one is demanding. No one is demanding for my removal. That statement has given by our state priority, Mr. Chubao. So I don't have anything to say on that. So they will do the needful from our high command from Delhi. That's all. I cannot give any counter statement on that.
But why all of a sudden this issue just came up?
I think you better ask from him because I don't know anything. No communication, no. You see, on the personal statement of anybody, I can't give any statement. It is too early to give a statement on that.
How do you find the position of BJP right now? After all these incidents also happened.
You see, that is the request from my side as the state head, as the party president. If you have any grievances or if you have anything to be discussed, the door is open. You can come to me and discuss with me. And I don't know, maybe people they are habit here, they always went to the media and the press. Actually, that is wrong. If they find out that if any wrong I'm doing, they should come. The door is open for discussion. That's all.